Hey folks, Watson here from 911 Studios. Today we're looking at the Lucid 12-inch latex hybrid mattress. It's memory foam and responsive latex with steel coils for a firm feel and is temperature neutral. It's got about 3,300 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.5 out of 5 stars. Nice. And the one we're looking at today is the king size, although you can get it in queen, full, twin XL, twin, or California king for the big time. And this one is 12 inches thick, but it also comes in a 10-inch variety. So check out the listing. They've got plenty of variety there. It weighs 123 pounds, and steel coils are 6.5 inches of the height. These high-quality steel coils are individually wrapped to increase airflow, isolate motion, and conform to individual sleep styles. And then you've got the plush memory foam layer, and it's topped with natural latex for the perfect combination of sink and spring. It's the perfect mattress for those who want the comfort of memory foam with the hypoallergenic and breathable properties of latex. And it has this nice, attractive two-tone cover, which finishes the elegant look of this mattress. And it's backed by a 10-year warranty against manufacturer defects. It comes compressed, rolled, and shipped in a box for easy setup, so it'll easily fit through narrow hallways and staircases. And it comes with a 100-night risk-free trial, so if you're unsatisfied with the mattress, you're eligible for a full refund up to 100 days from the date of receipt. So now you know what these hybrid mattresses are all about. Let's check out a helpful review from a verified purchaser called Unbelievable. I'm not sure why I thought this was too good to be true. Got it on Amazon Prime Day, and it's one of the best purchases I've made in my adult life. There was almost no smell. The bed inflated itself in just a couple of hours, and I've never had a better night's sleep. I'd say it's medium to medium firm. The edge support is okay. Better than other memory foam mattresses I've tried, but nothing compared to a traditional mattress. But compared to a traditional mattress, I no longer get woken up when my wife goes into the alligator roll mode. I still lose the battle of the blankets though, but I don't get overheated at night anymore. If I can get this quality and 10 years out of it, I know exactly who I'm coming back to when it's time again for a mattress. Cool. So there you go. If you're looking for a nice king-size mattress with a semi-firm to firm feel and a temperature neutral, with a firm feel and temperature neutral, I think this Lucid 12-inch hybrid is for you. I think you're gonna love it. Order today.